Welcome
to Spiral Rain.
This is the Sabbat box. So
Sabbat.
This is our first Sabbat box.
Ooh, how exciting.
Yeah, so this is supposed to celebrate the holidays.
Yeah.
I think we missed it because this arrived early
This
July.
box smells amazing.
And it is now August. Woo! Lughnasadh. That's like Dancing at Lughnasa. Tara was in that show.
Tara,
It
this
was
is
a
your
very
show now.
boring show.
It was a terrible show. Tara, if you're watching, I'm sorry. You know, I've told her in person many times. I hated that show.
It was quite the show.
Yeah, it was very Irish.
What's wrong with Irish?
Their plays are depressing and long and not really about anything, with the exception of some of John Patrick Shanley's work.
Yeah,
But
you know, I would agree with that assessment just because of Dancing at Lughnasa.
they're known for it.
Oh yeah, we
Irish playwrights. Snore.
So we got another one of these. We also got this in the Witch and Ohm box. So this also has the contents of the Sabbat box.
Cool.
Which, well, I've just been having. Well, I think I showed them. I don't know what it is. Is this? Oh, interesting. She sent me the Grimoire again.
With the cat on the back.
That's what it is. I was wondering what it is. Okay, so now I have two grimoires. Might tell her to just do the one. Anyway, that's the July grimoire. Are you gonna pull things out?
Yep. Stickers!
I love stickers.
Sunflower stickers.
I love stickers more than I do.
I do. Decorate my laptop with them. These are very pretty. I'll show them again.
I don't even see them on this.
Maybe they just threw them in for fun.
I love it.
I do too.
I love it. Next, I like this green bag.
This green.
Oh, yay! I think that this is...
Ah.
No.
No. It must be.
Oh yeah, I think so. Maybe?
Tell them what it is.
I think that this is to go on our thing.
Thank you, Ronnie, for remembering us.
There we go.
And for giving us the thing that was missing from one of our June boxes.
May. On the dream catcher.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you.
Oh, my arm. It's so reflective. Even though it's summer.
Next, I like the packaging here. They were like, this might be something that we need to bubble wrap, so they did. The cap is bubble wrap. This is a shower gel.
Yes!
Of an essential oil blend.
Ooh.
Yes.
Retails at $28.
Nice. It includes many things, including essential oils of sandalwood, rosemary, lavender, jojoba oil, water, all sorts of things.
I didn't smell it.
No, we have not.
It's essential to smell.
It's essential to smell.
Oh, it's so good.
It's very nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Okay, next though.
Is that the perfume?
This looks like perfume to me. It is. It is.
A Lammas Perfume.
It looks like it should be the same smell as the body wash, roughly.
This retails at $18.
Ooh.
Smells delicious.
Same as the.
As far as I can tell.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. It's never gonna focus. Beep-a-dee-a-dee. It's because my face is there. Well, now your face is there.
There. Well, my face is hidden.
Whatever. I failed.
Bad at this.
We're trying new things.
We are.
That looks like the incense.
Yes.
Oh, you broke it.
Well, I didn't break it.
You broke off all the wax.
No, that was like that.
When you pulled it off. Because you pulled it instead of unwrapping the bubble wrap.
We're trying new things.
This is why I do the opening and you do the reading.
Switching.
Anyways, this looks like an incense blend that was beautifully wax sealed.
No, you guys messed up. That wasn't me. That was
Now you can see Tony's efforts to open.
it
Anyway,
was like that before.
it's got some crystals in it and some things.
Yep. What is that?
Looks like sun-kissed flowers, a lammas candle. Oh, that's beautiful. And smells like a spa.
I like that smell.
Ooh, focus, please. Oh boy. Ah! Oh no, I'm sorry. There's a beautiful like wheat thing. I put it in my face. This is a disaster. You can't see it. Oh, there we go. Ah. Ooh. It's blurry, but you get the picture. Nice.
Actually, it's blurry, but I got the video.
Ah. That's my knee I'm slapping.
Yep.
Next up we have tea. Lughnasadh. Lughnasadh tea. So it's black tea with orange peel, safflower, natural essences. Cool.
Never have enough tea.
I should put a picture of our tea cupboard one day. At least we don't have tea surprise anymore. It'll help a little bit.
Yeah.
And then what's this? This is the incense blends. What was the other thing?
I will find out. The other thing would have been the spell jar.
Okay, so this is the incense blend. It's got frankincense, sunflower, mugwort, rose, rosemary, lavender, rosemary oil, and citrine. This is the spell blend?
Spell blend.
Spell jar.
Spell jar. That's exactly it. Yeah.
Makes more sense. It's beautiful.
It's just a shame about that wax seal that was damaged by someone that wasn't me.
It was definitely you.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Okay, that's it.
That's it. I believe that's it.
Yeah.
That was excellent.
It was.
I'm excited to celebrate post holiday. Unless it's still going on. I'll have to check.
Who knows? Not me.
I don't either.
But yeah, great box. Thank you guys
Yeesh.
for watching.
Yes, it's been great. Love this. One thing you can never have too much of is soap.
Yeah, because you're going to use it.
Every day? Well, hopefully every day.
You should never do.
Oh, we didn't talk about these, did we?
Did we? I don't know.
Oh! Yeah, we did miss it. Lughnasa is the 1st of August.
Oh, so that was recent. That was 2 days ago for us recording this video.
It's the first harvest.
Huh?
Interesting. This is great. I love this calendar. New ways. Old ways. Ooh, a lizard. That's cool. Divination spells, correspondences, and cauldron spirit.
Ooh.
This is great. I'm excited.
Me too.
I'm excited. I don't know when I'll have time, but I'm excited.
Yep.
That's all. Thank you.